Dear students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ether. Topic properties of alcohol. In the last video discussed nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohol. Primary alcohol undergo substitution by SN2 mechanism. Or last class discussed in its continuation. Today we discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions of tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol undergo substitution by SN1 mechanism. So tertiary alcohols follow SN1 mechanism. Alkyl halide formation of tertiary alcohols follow SN1 mechanism. Primary alcohol follow SN2 mechanism. Tertiary alcohol follow SN1 mechanism. SN2 means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. SN1 means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So tertiary alcohol follow SN1 mechanism. Example for this mechanism, this reaction: tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol treated with a hydrogen bromide to form tertiary butyl bromide. So IUPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So second carbon contains one functional group and one substituents. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol is the IUPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol. So this alcohol treated with a hydrogen bromide to form tertiary butyl bromide. So IUPAC name 2-bromo 2-methyl propane is the IUPAC name. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So second carbon contain one bromide substituent and one methyl substituent. So IUPAC name 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. So now discuss a mechanism. So alkyl bromide, tertiary butyl alcohol. In the tertiary butyl alcohol, the oxygen contains lone pair of electron. The lone pair of electrons attract the hydrogen bromide, attract hydrogen from hydrogen bromide. Then the hydrogen bromide in bromine removed as bromide anion. So this bond pair shifted to bromine. Oxygen attract photon from hydrogen bromide to form oxonium ion, protonated alcohol, to form a protonated alcohol. In this alcohol, this oxonium ion, the oxygen end more positive. So neutralize this charge. This shared pair shifted to oxygen. Then the oxygen removed as water molecules. Then this part, the oxonium ion part removed as water molecule. Then to form tertiary carbocation, more stable tertiary carbocation. Then the tertiary carbocation converted into tertiary butyl bromide due to attack of nucleophile, bromide nucleophile. So bromide nucleophile attack the central carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon. So attack this positive charged carbon to form tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. So nucleophilic attack of a tertiary carbocation to form tertiary butyl bromide. Suppose the more stable tertiary carbocation elimination reactions occur, so any one methyl group lose their hydrogen to form an alkene due to elimination of one hydrogen. So any one methyl group, so suppose this methyl group lose one hydrogen ion to form an alkene. So IUPAC name of this alkene, double bond, first carbon contain on double bond, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So second carbon 1 substituent, first carbon 1 double bond. So 2 methyl prop1ene. So first carbon contain on double bond. So 2 methyl prop1ene is the IUPAC name of this alkene. Then again this alkene undergo addition reaction to form tertiary butyl bromide. So addition reaction between hydrogen bromide and 2 methyl prop1ene. So addition reaction between hydrogen bromide and alkene to form tertiary butyl bromide. So addition reaction between hydrogen bromide and alkene to form alkyl halide, tertiary butyl bromide. So this mechanism, SN1 mechanism. In SN1 mechanism, more stable tertiary carbocation is formed, but in case of SN2 mechanism, no any one more stable ion formed. Okay, then next one we discuss the carbocation formed can undergo elimination to give alkene. So from tertiary carbocation lose one hydrogen due to elimination or undergo elimination to give an alkene. However, the alkene can again undergo addition reaction with a hydrogen bromide to give substituted product already discussed. So this end the tertiary carbocation undergo elimination. So this is the tertiary carbocation. In tertiary carbocation, any one methyl group lose one hydrogen due to undergo elimination to form an alkene. Then this alkene again undergo addition reaction with a hydrogen bromide to form a substituted product. So tertiary butyl bromide formed. Then conversion of alcohol into alkyl halide. Other methods. So now discuss a nucleophilic substitution reaction by conversion of alcohol to alkyl halide. Now discuss other methods by conversion of alcohol into alkyl halides. So alcohol can also be converted into alkyl halide using phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus tribromide. So ethanol treated with a phosphorus trichloride in the presence of pyridine reagent to give ethyl chloride or chloroethane. Now discuss a mechanism. So already we know that primary alcohol follow SN2 mechanism. So SN2 reaction on phosphorus trichloride. So already we know that alcohol, in alcohol oxygen contain lone pair of electron. So ethanol, in ethanol the oxygen attract the phosphorus in phosphorus trichloride to form a product so the oxygen contain more electronegative, so the lone pair of electron attract the phosphorus in phosphorus trichloride. Due to the attract phosphorus, one chlorine is removed as a chlorine anion to form a product, ionic product. Then in pyridine, nitrogen have one lone pair of electron. The lone pair of electron in pyridine attract the positive charged proton due to attract of proton in this product. So the lone pair of electrons attract the proton, the shared pair of electron shifted here, the shared pair of electrons move to oxygen, then form product. Then addition of nucleophile to the carbon, second carbon. So nucleophilic attack of carbon. So nucleophile attack this carbon. So this shared pair of electrons move to the oxygen. So this part removed from the hydrocarbon part by the addition of a nucleophile to form chloroethane, and or ethyl chloride, and then to another product, ionic product is PCl2O minus. So this charge due to shifting of this shared pair, so this shared pair shifted to oxygen gain negative charge. Then the conversion of an alcohol to an alkyl halide can also be effected using thionyl chloride. So thionyl chloride, SOCl2, conversion of alcohol into alkyl halide can also be effected using thionyl chloride. So methanol treated with the thionyl chloride, SOCl2, methanol treated with the thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine reagent to form methyl chloride or chloroethane with a hydrogen chloride is the second product of this reaction. And sulfur dioxide also removed. So this reaction also follow SN2 mechanism in the presence of pyridine. So generally nucleophilic substitution reactions of primary alcohol follow SN2 mechanism, but tertiary alcohol follow SN1 mechanism. So this is a common rule. Thank you, students. See you next class.